$2,000. That's it. That's all you need to start a real business, and one that can replace your 9-to-5 income within 12 months. Not a side hustle, not a gig, a business. Most people think you need investors or a business degree or some genius idea nobody has ever thought of. You don't. In this video, I'm gonna show you the exact roadmap, step by step, on how to go from zero to your first $5,000 month with a starting budget of just $2,000. And I'm not gonna give you some vague advice like follow your passion. I'm gonna give you real numbers, real timelines, and real business models that work right now. Let's go. First, let's kill a myth. Most successful small businesses were not started with big money. They were started with just enough to prove the idea works. Amazon started in a garage. Airbnb started because two guys couldn't pay rent. The difference between people who start and people who wait, the ones who wait are waiting for the right amount of money. That moment never comes. $2,000 is not a limitation, it's a filter. It forces you to pick a lean, smart business model, which is actually an advantage because lean businesses survive, bloated businesses die. So the first decision you need to make is what type of business fits this budget. And that's exactly what we're gonna figure out right now. There are dozens of businesses you can start, but with $2,000, these 5 are the most realistic paths to real income fast. Service business. You already have a skill. Writing, video editing, social media, bookkeeping, design. You package it as a service and sell it to businesses or individuals who need it but don't have time to do it themselves. No product to build, no inventory, just your skill and a client. Income potential, $1,500 to $5,000 per month. Time to first client, 1 to 2 weeks. Skills needed, 1 strong skill. E-commerce, drop shipping or print on demand. Sell products without holding inventory. You run an online store. When a customer buys, your supplier ships the product directly to them. You never touch the product. With print on demand, you design custom items, t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, and they get printed and shipped automatically. Your job is finding the right product and driving traffic. Income potential, $2,000 to $10,000 per month. Time to first sale, 2 to 6 weeks. Skills needed, marketing plus research. Digital products. Create once, sell forever. Startup, $100 to $300. Highest margins. You create a digital product one time, a template, an online course, an ebook, a Notion dashboard, and sell it over and over with 0 extra cost. Every sale after your first is almost pure profit. The hardest part is building an audience to sell to, but once you have that, it becomes a near passive income stream. Local service business. Hands-on work in your area. Startup, $500 to $1,500. Highly profitable. Old school, but massively underrated. People always need their lawn cut, their car cleaned, their driveway pressure washed, their house cleaned. These businesses have almost no online competition, high repeat customers, and you can charge premium prices once you build a reputation. Most people overlook this, which is exactly why it's still a great opportunity. Income potential, $3,000 to $8,000 per month. Time to first client? Time to first client, 3 to 7 days. But you must have strong skills, like physical work plus reliability. Last one, content plus affiliate marketing. Build an audience, earn from recommendations. Startup, $200 to $500. Slowest to income. You pick one topic you know well, personal finance, fitness, tech, cooking, and create content consistently on YouTube, a blog, or social media. As your audience grows, you earn money by recommending products, affiliate commissions, getting brand deals, and eventually selling your own products. Takes the longest to pay off, but the ceiling is the highest of all 5 models. The fastest path to money? Service businesses. The highest long-term ceiling? Digital products. For this video, I'm gonna walk you through the full roadmap using a service business because it's the most proven, fastest path with the lowest risk. Let's talk about where your money actually goes. Here's exactly how I would spend $2,000 to launch a service business from scratch. Wait a minute. You are my family, and I request you to subscribe UnearthUS to get depth knowledge regarding business. Okay, back to work. These are the required steps needed for setting up your first business. I am gonna make you roughly based calculation for your $2,000. LLC/business registration, $50 to $150. Website, domain plus hosting, $100 to $200. Logo plus basic branding, $50 to $100. Tools and software, first 3 months, $100 to $200. Paid ads, first test campaign, $300 to $500. Content creation setup, $200 to $400. Emergency/buffer fund, $450 to $600. Keep this. Notice something? Almost half stays in your pocket as a buffer. This is intentional. The number one reason new businesses fail is running out of cash before they get their first client. Don't spend everything on day one. Pro tip, skip the LLC for your first 60 days. Test the idea first. Register when you get your first paying client.
Now let's get into the actual roadmap. 90 days, 3 phases. Here's exactly what you do. Days 1 to 30, foundation. Pick one service, just one. The biggest mistake beginners make is trying to offer everything. Don't. Pick one thing you can do well: video editing, bookkeeping, social media content, web design, and become the person for that one thing. Then define who you're selling to. Not everyone, one specific type of client. For example, I do social media content for restaurants. That specificity is how you get clients fast. Set up the basics: a clean one-page website, a LinkedIn profile or Instagram, and a simple portfolio, even if it means doing one free project to get a sample. Days 31 to 60, first clients. This is the hustle phase. You're gonna reach out to 10 potential clients per day, not spammy mass messages. Personalized, direct outreach on LinkedIn, email, or Instagram DMs. Tell them what you do, who you do it for, and what result they'll get. Your first clients will likely come from your network, people you already know, or friends of friends. That's normal. Charge a fair but not too cheap rate. Undercharging kills businesses just as fast as overcharging. A reasonable starting rate for most services is $500 to $1,500 per month per client. Goal by day 60, 1 or 2 paying clients. That's all you need to prove the model works. Days 61 through 90, systems plus scale. Once you have clients, the game changes. Now you need systems. Use tools like Notion or Trello to track projects. Use Calendly for scheduling. Use Stripe for payments. These cost very little and save you hours every week. Start asking for referrals. Every happy client knows 3 more potential clients. A simple, "Hey, if you know anyone who needs X, I'd love an intro," can double your business without spending $1 on ads. By day 90, your goal is 3 to 5 clients at $500 to $1,500 each. That's $1,500 to $7,500 per month. That's a real business. Before we wrap up, I need to warn you about the 3 mistakes that kill most new businesses before they even get started. Mistake number 1, waiting until everything is perfect. Your website doesn't need to be perfect. Your logo doesn't need to be perfect. You need one client. Everything else can be fixed later. Perfectionism is just fear with a better audience.
It doesn't. It gets cheaper clients, the ones who complain the most and pay the latest. Charge what your service is actually worth. Mistake number 3, giving up after the first no. In sales, no is normal. Out of 10 people you reach out to, maybe 1 or 2 will say yes. That's not failure, that's the math of business. Most people quit after 3 or 4 rejections. The ones who keep going are the ones who make it. That's the full roadmap. $2,000, 90 days, 1 service, 1 type of client. Consistent outreach, real results. The only thing standing between you and your first $5,000 month is starting. Not more research, not more planning. Starting. If you found this video useful, smash the like button. It genuinely helps this channel grow, and it helps more people find this information. And if you want the next video in this series, where I show you exactly how to close your first client, even if you have 0 experience, subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss it. See you in the next one.